Alright, so it's our last day in Vietnam. We got back on the ship today and
we don't know where we're going.
yeah, so because of the virus, we're supposed to go to Malaysia, but because of the virus they don't know if we're going to be able to go anymore, and we're supposed to be there in 3 days, and they sent out an email saying we might not go, but they're not going to let us know for 3 days. So we have no idea.
We're going to wake up in 3 days and we're not going to know what port we're in.
Yeah. And there's a bunch of insane rumors going around, like, oh, we're gonna go to Bali instead, we're gonna go to Brazil instead, we might go to Madagascar, Australia. Like, there are so many rumors going around and no one knows what's going on. It's kind of insane.
We have no idea. It's really insane. Definitely gonna make the Wikipedia page a couple times instead of one. I think I'm happy with one.
Yeah. I mean, we've already missed China, and
oh God.
We've been in Vietnam for so long, and everybody's just like delusional, and no one knows what's going on, so they don't inform us at all.
We're doing great.
It's fine, yeah.
Maybe we'll end up in Antarctica or something. I really don't know.
Yeah.
The ship.
Finish downloading there.
And then we're going to sail along the equator, almost dead on the equator for a week.
So no Neptune Day.
Neptune week.
Neptune week.
Oh, that'd be fun. That'd be fun. I could shave my head 6 times.
And then from
Today is Sea Olympics, and I'm part of the Bering Sea, so we are black, which is pretty awesome. And we just had our lip sync battle and the opening ceremony, but there are events all day, so I'm gonna be walking around all day, like cheering people on for my sea. Apparently my sea has like a reputation of winning, so we are trying to win again.
Lose my balance on a tightrope.